What's up guys, we're back in the range today. Today we're going to show you the fully licensed H&K MP5 SD5 by Elite Force. Each gun comes complete with its own manual and warranty and registration cards. So make sure you fill these out, send them in. Guys, each one of these comes with a full 1-year replacement warranty. Take advantage of that. In the box, everybody gets a 200 round high cap mag. On the SD5 model itself, muck suppressor is detached, so simply take it, screw it onto the front. This gun comes complete with a full metal upper receiver and a nylon fiber lower receiver and stock. Front rear HK sights, front rear sling points, fully functioning charging handle, which does expose the hop-up unit, ambidextrous switches. But internally, this is a top tech version with a full metal gearbox and full metal gears. Let me show you how to install the battery. Take the rear plate, simply press it down, pops away. Expose your battery wires. Take your battery. On this particular gun, we do recommend that you use a 9.6 volt battery. Plug your battery in, into the stock. Make sure when you do this that you keep these wires out of the way so that you don't crimp them. Back together, pop it back up, you're good to go. There you go, guys. There you go guys, that's the HK MP5 SD5 by Elite Force. You can find it online or at your local Elite Force dealer. Thanks.